In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Notion in just 5 minutes, if you're looking to organize your data or ideas in a structured format. Notion provides a fantastic way to create tables with ease. Let's walk through the steps together to get you up to speed quickly. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. This is your central hub for all your wiki, docs, and projects, providing a seamless experience to manage your work. It's easy to get there by simply visiting the Notion homepage through your preferred browser. Next, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to log in. Click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, and once you've submitted those, you'll be taken right to Notion's dashboard. If you're not a member yet, you might see a sign-up page instead. So make sure you're entering through the correct login option. Once you're logged in, go directly to your Notion home. This is where all your previously added pages and items can be accessed. The home panel serves as your quick menu to explore various projects you've been working on. This makes navigation straightforward and returning to previous work easy. With your Notion home in front of you, go ahead and click on the page where you intend to insert your new table. This page could be anything from a current project draft to a newly created section waiting to be filled with fresh data. Clicking on the right page ensures your new table will be integrated exactly where you want it. Now for the magic step. In the open page, you'll need to type in the command #table. Yes, it's as simple as typing a command with a /, which brings up Notion's dynamic menu of options. By typing in table, you directly instruct Notion to bring up its table-related features, making it quick and efficient to start your new creation. Once you've entered the command, you'll see a list of options appear. Go ahead and click on Table from this list. Selecting this option will automatically create a blank table in your selected page. Notion's tables are incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize columns, add new rows, and even apply various data types to suit the context of your information. And just like that, you've created a table in Notion. It's a straightforward process designed to save you time while maximizing the organization of your projects. This powerful feature enables you to display, track, and analyze your data all in one place. So go ahead and explore this amazing tool and start organizing your information like a pro. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and are now ready to get creative with tables in Notion. Thank you for watching.